Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambeau channel, and I'll tell you what, I know what I hate, and I don't hate this. Check out this headline from Crypto Newsflash. Ignoring XRP in 2022 could be detrimental. Here's why it can enter top 5 crypto list again. And as far as I'm concerned, it's an inevitability. You wait till XRP goes on a tear, like December 2017 style. Yeah, some jaws gonts to be dropping here. But you know who they're highlighting here? It's an analyst that I actually like and I follow. I highlight him somewhat frequently on my channel in videos where I'm talking about price. And this individual, I'll tell you what, he does not like Ripple and he does not like XRP. But he believes XRP is going to go on a freaking tear. So I want to share with you the perspective along with a few other things. But I got to tell you this too, before we're getting out of this intro portion of this latest Moon Lambeau hot jam. In terms of, in particular, large cap coins, you want to know where the most opportunity lies? It's with XRP. It's so far behind the rest of the market, but the market does move in tandem and it will continue to. It's not going to be like that forever. And especially imagine a world where there is settlement between the SEC and Ripple. Imagine what that would do too. And so in terms of like just my personal humble opinion, where's the most opportunity in particular in large cap coins? XRP. Unquestionably. But I do want to be clear, I do not have a legal or financial background of any kind. I am not offering legal or financial advice, and you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos about crypto-related topics, but just as a hobby and just for fun. And so the analyst in question is Michael Vandepop. And I don't know him. I barely talked to him. He comes across as a nice guy, though, and I think he does a good job overall, which is why I'm willing to highlight him on my channel with a certain amount of regularity. But I've cited before that in the past, at least, and maybe not now, maybe he's realized that what is happy to hear about to see what I'm talking about. His bias. It is my position, and I told him this too, politely. I told him that I believe that his bias is heavily bleeding into his analysis of XRP price action. His bias against XRP heavily bleeding into what he's publicly stating his price expectations are for XRP. And I'm going to give you a couple examples here. I shared, this is from a tweet I put out April 6th. And I shared some tweets from Michael Vandepop. Like, for instance, here's one from December 31st, 2020. He tweeted out the following. The year 2021 will be the year where Ripple will still not break the $1 price level. Now, of course, he knows it's XRP. He decided to call it Ripple because he does not like Ripple and he does not like XRP. And so, like, you guys know me, though. So, like, I don't hate somebody just because they don't agree with me on something cryptocurrency related. So, nothing but respect for him. No venom coming from me whatsoever. And but look at what else he tweeted out. And this was on January 15th, 2021. And you know that the price of XRP, I don't know exactly what it was that day. It was low. I don't know if it was 20 cents or 30 cents, whatever. It was low. And Michael Vandepop tweeted out the following. Peak high predictions for this bull cycle. Bitcoin, $275,000 to $350,000. Ethereum, $7,500 to $12,500. And he goes down the list. And then at the bottom, he wrote Ripple. When, of course, he means XRP, but he wrote Ripple. Peak high prediction for this bull cycle for XRP, 50 to 60 cents. So obviously, his predictions, which he publicly stated, put it out into the internet, which means it's out there for all time. These predictions have aged like a fine milk, just like a very fine milk. And so here's the deal. When you publicly put something out like this, especially if you have a massive following, and he does, he's got over 500,000 followers on Twitter. He's got over 150,000 subscribers on YouTube today. If you've got that kind of following, it's totally fair game to come back and look at what you're putting out to the masses in terms of price expectation and have a talk about it. Now, not in a venomous way, which is why I wasn't actually being mean. And I even had he even direct messaged me on Twitter, everything's fine, he takes everything in stride. But like, it's totally fair to come back and talk about this stuff, which is why I'm glad I don't make price predictions, because it would come back to bite me on my rear side. So like, I can appreciate the people that are so bold, but the idea of XRP only hitting 50 or 60 cents, And so, he took a little grief from it. And I think he's recognized now that it's best to maybe be a little bit more realistic in terms of where XRP is going to be going this market cycle. And that shows in this article today. And you're going to enjoy this. Check this out. So now back to the piece from Crypto Newsflash. Check this out. Over the last few months, investors in the crypto space have been going gung-ho about many new altcoins and their solid gains. At the same time, old players like cryptocurrency XRP have been largely ignored to a great extent. XRP enjoyed its position as the number 3 cryptocurrency in the crypto space for a very long time. However, it has been continuously slipping the ranks over the last year. This is especially true after Ripple entered a legal battle last December 2020 with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. But popular crypto analyst Michael Vandepop believes that XRP could prove to be an underdog going into 2022. The analyst also explains that XRP has been one of the oldest players in the crypto space. Furthermore, he adds that XRP is dominating a lot of social discussions taking place in the crypto landscape. Of course, Pop likes to be realistic here without giving any insane price targets of $100 or so. And by the way, let's pause there to state I'm on board with that. I'm not saying that XRP won't or can't hit $100. There's certainly way more than enough money on the planet for the price to get bid up to that level at some point in the future. I don't know if it's ever going to happen. The idea of it hitting, though, that's not wacky. That's definitely not wacky. There will be individual cryptocurrencies with multi-trillion-dollar market caps, perhaps individual coins with over a $10 trillion market cap, the ones that truly get adopted. I don't know for sure which coins those will be. Maybe XRP, maybe not. I honestly don't know. I'm just optimistic right now because I see the real actual adoption of XRP. I see real world utility. And I think that humans just don't throw away something that's valuable. So as long as XRP continues to be valuable, those types of prices in the future, they're not necessarily outside the realm of possibility. I just don't believe for a second we're going to be seeing that this market cycle. That's just my unprofessional, my humble opinion. It's okay if you disagree, but that's how I look at it. Anyway, piece continues. As we know, Ripple has been claiming that XRP is one of the fastest cryptos for cross-border settlements. If we remember, XRP boasted a settlement period of just 4 seconds back in 2017. However, Pop believes that it's no more a unique selling point for the cryptocurrency as of now. Many other altcoins in the crypto space are capable of doing the same. Okay, well, then all the features of Bitcoin are no longer unique selling propositions, and that's true. So in terms of what he said there about the speed of XRP not being an amazing selling proposition, it depends on the coin you're talking about. Even if there are faster cryptocurrencies, here's the thing. And you can see this with Bitcoin clearly. Like, standards matter. Humans value standards. So even though Bitcoin is the most technologically insufficient, least advanced cryptocurrency on the planet, it was here first. It's the standard. It is. In terms of cryptocurrency, it's the go-to. It's the one with a brand cachet, if you will. And so, as you can see, that does matter to humans. XRP being blazing fast, okay, fine. Even if there are faster cryptocurrencies out there, it doesn't freaking matter. XRP has already been adopted to a certain degree. And as I've stated before, especially as it pertains to XRP as a bridge currency, if you're talking about real-time settlement, because this is, seriously, with RippleNet and on-demand liquidity utilizing XRP as a bridge currency, effectively you do have real-time settlement, even if settlement on the XRP ledger specifically takes 3 to 5 seconds. That's effectively real time. So if you go from 3, 4, 5 second settlement to even a tenth of a second, it's effectively the same thing. It doesn't freaking matter. You're not going to supplant a standard in the marketplace for a particular use case if that's all that's different. And XRP has another thing that you can't code into a cryptocurrency, which is liquidity. XRP is one of the most liquid cryptocurrencies on the entire planet. There's a lot of people buying and selling it at any given moment. You can't code that into a cryptocurrency. And so that's important. That is a big selling point. But yes, these attributes, I mean, you can copy the XRP ledger. You can literally clone it and call it something else, keep it exactly the same, and it's just as fast, and look, it's no longer unique. Okay, fine, but what about real world adoption? See, that still matters. That's the thing. But take a look at this. There's another piece that was covering the same thing. They got some more of the specifics here. So check this out. This is from the Daily Hodl. Vandepop tells his 153,000 YouTube subscribers that he's watching the price area of XRP, roughly between 81 cents and 97 cents. If the open source digital currency can hold those levels, it puts XRP in a position to ignite a strong 140% rally. And here's a quote from Michael Vandepop. If these are going to hold, we're most likely going to have a scenario like this, a rally to $2, in which we start to break out. And these are the triggers, 90 cents, $1, $1.20. Then we get a vertical move, end quote. And again, this is coming from somebody who does not like Ripple and does not like XRP. And I think it's silly reasons, but, you know, it's fine. He comes across as a nice guy, so I still like him. I don't, again, like I said before, and I very strongly mean this, I don't need people to believe the same things as me for me to like and respect them. I just think he's wrong, so I'm going to challenge his ideas when I think he's wrong. But ever since he got a little bit called out for a way off, expectation in terms of XRP peaking at 50 to 60 cents, that didn't age well. Because think about it, XRP this year in April went to like $2. According to Live Coin Watch, it actually did hit $2. So a little off from that 50 to 60 cent expectation there. So, so anyway, that's why I say, given that's the case, seeing that he's a little bit more in line with reality now, I'm paying attention. So happy to see it. Piece continues. From there, Vandepop uses a Fibonacci extension tool to indicate that XRP's next target points are $2.87 and $4.33. Should XRP follow Vandepop's script, the altcoin can potentially rise over 420% from current prices. Now, the analyst notes in the comments section of his YouTube video that he made those price predictions before XRP's value crashed over the weekend. However, he says his predictions have not changed. And so think about that. It's the same with other analysts that I follow, like, for instance, Credible Crypto, Lub Crypto, DIY Investing, the Blockchain Backer. Like, their expectations for where XRP is going to top off this market cycle, it was the same. It's the same now as it was before the crash that's happened over the last several days or so, which was led by Bitcoin, of course, when the crypto markets tanked globally. Nothing's changed. As far as these people are concerned, it's still a come, my friends. Now take a look at this. Back to the crypto news flash piece. You guys are going to find this fascinating. This is why I started the video. One of the things I said was, in terms of large cap cryptocurrencies, which one has the most potential upside? It is XRP, unquestionably. I say that unwaveringly. Take a look at this. Here we go. The SEC's ongoing battle has prevented XRP from participating in the mega altcoin bull run of 2021. Yeah, so let me pause there. I disagree with that. XRP is suppressed, unquestionably. XRP price would probably be quite a bit higher. But I don't believe that it's preventing XRP from participating. Look no further than charts dating back to the beginning, November of 2020, so a little over a year ago. XRP's up over, 400%, something like that. So to say that it's not participating is flatly untrue. It's just suppressed, though. Like, the expectations for where XRP would be right now, it should be higher. I think we're all probably going to agree on that. But the idea that it's not participating, it's just provably not the case. Anyway, piece continues. Also, if we compare to other altcoins in the space, XRP's rally to its previous all-time high seems long overdue. Exactly. This is why I keep saying this. Do you want to buy something that's already pumped, which meaning that there's not much juice left in it, and probably not going to get much particularly great multiplier effect, or do you want something that has not yet gone? Think about this. The market freaking moves in tandem. People are not investing in cryptocurrencies, by and large, based on utility. So why would you want to put your money in something that, if you understand that, why would you want to put your money in something that's already pumped substantially? Is it better to put your money into Bitcoin when it hit its new all-time high recently, within the last weeks, however many it's been, when it hit $68,000 some odd dollars, or would it have been better to purchase Bitcoin at its bottom of the bear market around $3,200? Which would have been better? You get the validation when it's at $68,000. Look, it's here. And you feel like it's going to go up forever until it doesn't suddenly. So is it better to purchase after it's already run or before? And do we believe that the market moves in tandem? Yes. Is XRP part of the market? Yes. Is the market going up? Yes. Okay, then the logic follows. XRP is going up. So it's just, but look at this. This is an interesting chart that XRP community member Crypto Bull put out. And it's showing the top 10 cryptocurrencies, excluding stablecoins. And it shows, you can see this column to the right, it shows days since all-time high. And if you're looking at the screen, you already know. XRP is at number 1 because you can see that it was clearly filtered in Excel by the cryptocurrency that is furthest from its all-time high. XRP hasn't seen an all-time high in 1,426 days, as of December 5th anyway. 1,426 days. And then there's Doge. Last saw an all-time high 206 days ago. Binance Coin, 204 days. Cardano, 89 days. Shiba Inu, 33 days. Polkadot, 26 days. Solana, 24 days. Bitcoin, 20 days. Ethereum, 20 days. AVAX, 8 days. One of these things is not like the others. Where is the opportunity? Is it in the coins that have been edging up against their all-time highs, or is it the large cap coin that is nowhere near hitting it and hasn't hit it yet? Do we think the market moves in tandem? And so I love this list. And so this scares some people. It's like, my gosh, if you have to feel validated in order to purchase something, then you're always going to purchase something after the opportunity is already mostly gone. That's just how it is. So I've been holding my XRP this whole damn time. I feel great about it. I sleep easily. If I didn't have my XRP, then I would not be sleeping easily. So this is fantastic as far as I'm concerned here. So anyway, I just want to highlight this. I just thought it was interesting to see this from somebody who is a good chart analyst, but just does not like Ripple and XRP, now acknowledging that XRP is going to be blasting through its all-time high. Think about it. It's good to see it from somebody that just doesn't like the asset. That's how I take it anyway. Anyway, I'll go ahead and wrap up there, though. I'm not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.